Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new, welcome to Raveena at Home. I'm Raveena Singh, a professional home organizer and home management consultant. Yesterday my husband and I went to our favorite store in Little India and got our seasonal stock of spices, beans, lentils and such. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun to share with you all how I refill my spice drawer, oil bottles, sauce bottles and a whole bunch of other kitchen stuff. Firstly, we are starting with the oils. I have this set of 4 glass bottles that I keep in my kitchen. You may have seen these labels I made recently as well. I also got a set in white for my oil and sauce bottles, and I am loving how they look. Next up are my daily cooking sauces, which are mostly for Asian cooking. I washed and dried the bottles before our refill day, so they're ready to go. So I'm just returning all the bottles to this cabinet under my stove for super easy access. Moving on to spices, we use a lot of spices in our home, and wherever possible, I prefer to toast my own spices and grind them. Today I'm just doing ground cumin and coriander from the seeds. I wish you could smell the aroma of these beautiful spices in my kitchen at this moment. Now I'm filling up the spice jars that I keep near my stove as well. Another thing I like to do is to mix my own Cajun spice blend. It's so quick and easy to make, and you can use these for enchiladas or tacos or any Tex-Mex inspired dishes too. The other thing that I only buy from Little India are all the supply of my dried beans and lentils that we cook with. And a really good tip is to put a bay leaf in each container to prevent the creepy crawlies from getting in. I also made this set of labels with instructions on how to prepare and cook each of this type of beans. I'm just sticking them to the back of each container, so hopefully any of my mini adults can prepare these dishes on their own. Now I'm just giving my pantry drawer a quick wipe before putting back all the containers. I recently did a full pantry restock, which in case you missed, you can watch by clicking on the card above. And last on the list, I'm just using this tiered organizer to store all my overstock of spices and whatever could not fit into my spice drawer. So it's almost dinner time, and I thought I would share what I'm dishing up for tonight's meal. Having everything available at home just makes it so easy to throw together a delicious dinner like this. Tonight, I'm making chicken 65 and a South Indian lentil dish called sambar. I'm starting by cutting and marinating some chicken. I want to know something. Does the authentic chicken 65 actually have 65 spices in it? I don't really know, but in case it does, I'm just calling this chicken 6.5 because that's just about how many I put in. I have just nipped over to my back garden to get some fresh curry leaves. Now moving on to chopping the vegetables. I'm cutting some onions, carrots and potatoes for the sambar. Yesterday, my uncle came over with some of these fresh veggies from his garden, and I was super excited to plan a meal around them. Comment below if you know the name of this special vegetable. I'm just putting the lentils to boil before getting ready to fry the chicken. To make the batter, I'm adding 1 egg white, some corn flour, and some rice flour. After 2 minutes, you can flip it over. Any earlier and the coating will just stick to the pan. I'm also frying the onions from earlier in the same oil, along with a few more curry leaves for a crunch. Time to plate up. And that's it, my loves. It's dinner time. Comment below on what your favorite spices are and if you know what the secret vegetable is called. And until the next video, this is Raveena saying happy homemaking.